Welcome! Today I am working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. This will be Galaxy Pour number 4, and the technique I'm going to be doing today is a flip cup. Flip cups remind me of open cup pours because the way the paint flows out of the cup once you flip it over, and I'm definitely going to drag the lip of the cup through the composition so that there isn't any weird blotches of color. And I'm going to also use a palette knife if I need to sort of lift that color up from underneath and drag it throughout the composition. If you want to add a little bit of color when you're doing Galaxy pours, that's fine. But mainly you want to focus on your deep, dark colors. So purples, if you custom made it, or dioxazine purple, Prussian blue, black. You just want to make sure those are your like staple colors when you're doing Galaxy pours. Then you can add your lighter colors for a little bit of contrast and to give the painting that cosmic effect. I'm going to do a couple more of these Galaxy pours, then I'm going to move on to a technique that I started, but I haven't really perfected yet. So I am going to let you enjoy this acrylic painting, and I will talk to you again during the wet result. wanted to do this close up with the lights off because I feel like it also helps with the aesthetic of the galaxy pour. There's a few cells. I love the little bit of color that showed up on this side of the painting. Then there's all this deep, dark Prussian blue and deep violet mixed in with a little bit of the purples. So I'm really loving this composition. I love how dark it is. It's going to dry even darker with these small hints of color here. And as you can see, it's very shiny, like all throughout. And most of my paintings are very shiny when they are wet. Then I add a couple coats of the High Gloss Professional Spray Varnish by Winsor Newton. So I won't show you what this one looks like dry, but I'll show you it in the next one. I'm going to do 2 more galaxy pours, and then I'm going to move on to a technique that I want to perfect called the puddle reverse ring pour. So I'll do a mini series. Here's the wet result of galaxy pour number 4, and let me show you what galaxy pour number 3 looks like dry. Here is the dry result of galaxy pour number 3. So it is very dark, and I love how the bright aqua green flows from one corner sort of off the canvas and back on to stop there in the center. I love how deep it is, and I just have this pink area here to give it that cosmic effect, and I love the clouded area up top there. It's so pretty. It doesn't look that shiny dry, but once I add the varnish to it, it'll definitely pop back out because I did use most of the same colors with the metallics in it for my other galaxy pours that I did for this one. So yep, here it is dry. This one is my favorite one so far. Thank you for watching.